Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss how to uninstall and reinstall BMC Client Management on Trackit application server. Right-click to the uninstall.batch file and run as an administrator to uninstall the agent running on server. Go to the task manager and end the task for BMC Client Management. Go to the Client Management directory. Under the program file, click on BMC software folder. Go to the Client Management and delete the master folder. Go to the control panel and uninstall BMC Client Management Master. And wait for a few seconds to make it uninstall. Log in to the SQL Server Management Studio by SA account. Delete the BCM DB user from the database. And right-click to the TI_BCM database and make it offline, or you can delete the database. Verify the Windows services. If BMC Client Management service is still present on the server, that means the client management uninstallation did not perform well. To uninstall BMC Client Management service, go to the registry editor. Expand the local machine key. Go to the software. Right click. Click on Find and perform search by the client management. Delete the permanent existing registry. And restart the application server. To perform the installation and the reinstallation of BMC Client Management on application server, go to the C drive of application server. Program file 86 and open the Trackit extracted folder. Navigate to BCM folder. Under the master Windows 64, there is a numera.msf file and right click and install. It takes a few seconds to open the new window. The installation has begun. Click on the next. Accept the license terms and conditions. Click on the next button. Create the evaluation license. If you have an existing license of the BMC Client Management, you can check the second radio button. If you do not have any license file, you can create the evaluation license file. Click on the next button and select the first radio button to anyone who is using this computer. Verify the directory of the client management master is going to be installed. Click on the next. Enter the details of organization. Click on the next button. Enter the server name. The SQL server name should be entered there. If it is a SQL Express edition, you can enable the checkbox, enter the SA account credential and verify the connection. Click on the next button.
You can edit the BCM DB default password as per the organization policy. And click on the next button. Verify the language. Click on the next button. Enter the default admin password. Click on the next button and accept the radio button to improvement program. Click on the installation. Installation will take a few seconds to complete. Installation has been finished. After process complete finish, BCM agent turns to the blue color. Access the BCM client management and set the password for the admin account. Go to the command prompt and navigate to trackit directory and execute BMC OOBXML execute file. And enter the details of the server and port. And hit enter button and the installation of the file has been successfully completed. Restart the BMC Client Management service. Thank you.